Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're learning English and want to understand how real people speak in everyday moments, you're in the right place. Today's story is called The Stranger in the Elevator. It's a simple story about short conversations, polite greetings, and those quiet moments we often share with strangers. Listen carefully to the words, the tone, and the pauses. These are the kinds of conversations that happen every day, at work, in buildings, and even in elevators. Let's begin. Every morning at 8:30, Anna took the elevator to the 10th floor of her office building. The elevator was small. It moved slowly. And most of the time, it was very quiet. People stood inside, looking at their phones, the floor numbers, or the wall. No one talked much. That morning, Anna stepped into the elevator, just before the doors closed. There was one other person inside, a man she had never seen before. He stood near the back, holding a coffee cup. He looked tired, but calm. The doors closed. For a few seconds, there was only silence. Then Anna smiled politely and said, "Good morning." The man looked up, surprised for a moment. Then he smiled back. "Good morning," he replied. That was all. 2 words. But the elevator suddenly felt less uncomfortable. The elevator started moving. After a few seconds, the man spoke again. "Cold outside today, isn't it?" Anna nodded. "Yes, very cold. I didn't expect it." He laughed softly. "Me neither. I wore a light jacket." "Bad idea." Anna smiled. "I almost did the same." They both looked at the numbers above the door. 3, 4, 5. The man took a sip of his coffee. "Which floor?" he asked. 10, Anna answered. "How about you?" 8, he said. Another short silence followed, but this one felt friendly, not awkward. Anna noticed his coffee cup. "Smells nice," she said. "Is that from the cafe downstairs?" "Yes," he replied. "They make the best coffee in the building." "I'll try it tomorrow," Anna said. "You should," he replied. "It makes mornings easier." The elevator slowed down. Floor 8. The doors opened. "Well," the man said, stepping out, "have a good day." "You too," Anna replied. "Nice talking with you." He nodded, smiled once more, and walked away. The doors closed again. Anna continued up to the 10th floor. As she stepped out of the elevator, she realized something simple but important. The conversation wasn't long. It wasn't deep. But it was kind. Just a greeting. A comment about the weather. A polite goodbye. And somehow, it made the morning better. The next day, at 8:30, Anna entered the elevator again. This time, the man was already inside. They both smiled. "Good morning," he said. "Good morning," Anna replied. And just like that, a stranger didn't feel like a stranger anymore. This story shows how small conversations, simple greetings, polite questions, and friendly responses are an important part of everyday English. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. Sometimes, a smile and a few kind words are enough. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone learning English like you. Thank you for listening to The Stranger in the Elevator. And I'll see you in the next story.